Hey guys, Jeff here. Wanted to share something for my first responder and veteran-owned businesses about Google Ads and the success that you can have with them. I have a guy in Tennessee. He's a concrete contractor. Just touched base yesterday, just as far as our monthly follow-up, and just to give you an example of like the power of having a website that ranks, having a Google business profile that's optimized, that's found by local people, and supplementing all that with Google Ads, the potential that you can have in your small business just by doing these small things. So we had about 40 inbound leads last month that we were able to find that were decent quality. That was through form submissions and phone calls to his business. Out of those, he booked 11 of those 40 people into jobs coming up. About an average, we kind of averaged the value of each job to be about $9,500. There's a couple smaller ones, there's a couple bigger ones. We just seemed to find that was a good middle ground number. So essentially, in 1 month, this guy now has $104,000 of revenue coming into his business. So imagine doing that, especially during the good months, right, before it gets real cold in certain places. But imagine being able to add $104,000 of revenue to your small business every month, and all you're doing is answering phone calls and booking clients. You don't have to do any of your own marketing. You got someone like me that does that for you, and I'm returning his investment like eightfold or more at this point. So I just wanted to kind of share that. Made me feel good to hear that what I'm doing for him is really paying off. But I'm more excited to hear about like him trying to, grow his business and run his business and not be ran by his business anymore. And it's really cool to hear him talking about, things he wants. Like his long-term goals of taking care of his family, taking care of his kids, getting some toys. Things like that. It's really awesome to hear, and I love being part of those families and really helping them out. So just want to kind of share that with you. If you don't have a marketing plan, if you don't have a marketer, if you're not doing these things, you're missing out on hundreds of thousands of dollars every year for your small business. You need to do it. All right, bye.